Yeah. Yep. Another free mower, baby. Husqvarna all-wheel drive with a Honda engine on it. Looks like this will be another good project. It's all really dirty. It's a Honda GCV 190 engine. It's got a broken brake cable. This is why the manual is all the way down and a bunch of oil built up. I was looking pretty good tread right here, so yeah, so we'll do a clean video on this thing soon. So I'll give you guys an update on this. It's actually something I kind of wanted because I've never owned well, a Husqvarna all-wheel drive, that's for sure. So I have owned the rear-wheel drive model, the LC221RH. That was pretty good until the deck was cracked. So yeah, well, we'll do a clean video on this thing soon. When I have time, we'll recondition this thing. It's all molded and everything, and it looks pretty bad. But yeah, well, let's see what we can do. So stay tuned for this. So here's the Husqvarna, the Hu800 all-wheel drive mower that I got for free again. So yeah, just getting a little close up on the look of it. It's really damn dirty. As you can see, it's covered in dirt all over, around the engine, around the deck. So, and the wheels have stains on it. So this mower is gonna have to be getting a thorough wash of this thing soon. So yeah, and then yeah, I have not tested and started this thing yet, but I do know it's got compression. So I chucked the gas in it. It's actually got some pretty old gas in it. The air filter looks to be in really rough shape, so I'm not gonna mess with that. So yeah, the carburetor could be pretty nasty, and there might have been a bit of an oil leak. There's tons of mold. As you can see here, there's just a ton of mold and dirt all over him. It's gonna be power washed. So anyways, yeah, and yesterday I had to get new handle bolts for it because well, one of the original bolts were damaged, so they wouldn't tighten and wouldn't hold this upper handle in place. So I got myself some 5/16 bolts, nuts, and 1/4-inch washers, hole on both sides, and it's holding up nice and smooth. Might need to get some more washers for the bottom ones because it is kind of a little loose. When I lift it up a little too much, it kind of is a little loose. So what I found interesting on this mower is that it does not have a actual mulch plug to put in, because this little part right here, that's the mulch plug. It plugs it up because it's got a side discharge issue. So it was kind of interesting when I saw this. So I thought it didn't have, because I had a spare mulch plug from my old LC221RH mower that I was gonna put on there, but it's not fit. And I found out the deck is a 22-inch deck. Yeah. It actually says it right down here. Right down there. I do not like my iPhone 14 always just focus. There we go. 22-inch deck. And the model number is a Hu800 all-wheel drive H. Oh, the H is actually the high rear wheel model, so this is the high rear wheel version. So I have not test started this thing yet and whatnot. All I know is that I just got it for free, and I had a broken brake cable, loose upper handle. So it fits those two issues. So now we're gonna test it out and see if it starts and runs. Hopefully if it does, hoping it works on both drivetrain systems. So I'll turn the valve on. Well, the oil actually is not the greatest, as I can show it to you. Well, it's actually, well, in a bright light. You can kind of see, it's not the full mark, but it's very dark and black. So this thing's gonna need to get an oil changed. I'm not sure if it runs or not, but we'll see. I don't know where my tripod is, so let's just see if crank's got up. Alright, we'll wheel down and see. Wow, that's pretty awesome. That's actually really good. That's awesome. All the drivetrains work. I was surprised. I thought none of it was gonna work. Wow, that's pretty nice.